So I am going to show you today how to create a table of contents automatically in Google Docs. And the first thing that I want to show you is you can automatically open a new Google Doc by going to your URL bar and just typing in docs.new, and it will automatically open a new untitled document. I just recently learned that this also works for slides. You can type in slides.new and sheets.new, and it will open a new sheet or a new Google slide as well. So that's kind of a shortcut feature instead of having to go into your Google Drive and open a new Google Doc. All right, so the first thing that we need to do in the document is we need to create some headings. That's where your table of contents will generate from. And that is found right here in this drop-down menu. You can select any of the heading options that you like. And if you slide out to the side, you can, you have a couple of other features. I'm not going to get into those too much today, but you do have the option of changing how this heading looks. If you notice, I've changed how heading 1 looks. We'll save that for another time. So for now, I'm going to select heading 2, and I'm just going to put some sample text in here. And notice it automatically goes back to normal text. That's the default font style. So you have to go back and type in or select, heading 2, or whichever heading you choose. And let's see. All right. So once you have your headings in there, or once you've finished the whole document itself, either way, you go back up to the top, give yourself some space, and you could even, let's create page breaks so that each one of these is on a different page. Okay, so B is now on its own page, and we're going to put C on its own page by going to Insert, Break, Page Break. You also, in that break, depending on how you're setting up your document, you may actually want to do section breaks. Just depends on what kind of paper or report your students are going to be working on. All right, so then I'm going to go back to the first page, and you may want to create a table of contents that's its own page. So if you wanted to do that, you would go back to Insert and do another page break. All right, so now we are on the first page of our document. And in order to generate that table of contents, I'm going to go to Insert and go down here to Table of Contents, and we get 2 options. The first one is a table of contents with page numbers. So where I've got sample B and sample C on different pages, I'll show you what it looks like. You select that, and now you see the different pages that your different sections are on. So that's option 1, or you can do a hyperlinked one that will automatically create tags in your document to the different sections. So if I want to automatically go to section A, I select it. All right, so then after you have created these links to the different pages, you're going to want to go to each page and create a link that comes back here to the table of contents. It just makes navigating the document a lot easier. And that is called a bookmark in Google Docs. So the first thing that you need to do is to establish the bookmark where you want it to track back to. And in this case, we want it to track back to the table of contents. So right here beside the word table of contents, I'm going to put my cursor and then go to Insert and hit the word bookmark. And it's created this little flag right here. And it has a link also that you can click. And then we're going to go down to each one of our pages. And at the bottom, you want to put the word table of contents, or whatever you're calling it. And we're going to highlight all of it, right-click, link, and then right here we have the word bookmarks. And there's that table of contents link, and apply that. And so now we have a link back to the table of contents. I hope you found this helpful. If you have any questions or you'd like for me to help you set up a table of contents in your Google Docs, just let me know. Thanks.